How to use referral code on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use referral code on Shein. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to use a referral code, now you can either simply first choose the product that you like to purchase and add it to cart, and once you're on the cart, head over to checkout. Now on the checkout page, I'll select this and I'll proceed to checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, it'll ask you to add in payment methods and such, right? Down below, you can see the coupon code option. Tap on it, and now here you want to enter in your referral code and tap on apply, and you'll be able to use it. So you'll have to use it during the checkout process on Shein. So this is how you can easily use the referral code on Shein app or Shein. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.